For spiritual upliftment, is it necessary that material things are organized? Yeah, very nicely organized. I thought it helps to be quiet. Yes. Whenever you need anything, you must get within you get on spot, instantaneously. Means not that I want something, it is on the table. But when I want something, the same moment I must see that I have kept it in this place in the cupboard. That means you got it. Now only the time taken for actually bringing it here. So administration, organized material is very important, because then the chitta is not wavering more. When you don't know anything and very untidy person, he cannot be quiet at all. And you are searching whole day so many things, you don't know so many things. So when you sit quiet, then the mind will, when you sit for meditation, the mind will be searching. I thought it helps to be quiet, yes. But it seems to be endless. The quietness is always endless. The quiet is quiet, isn't it? The action is starts and stops. When there is no action and passive, you are sitting, then it is endless. It is good. How to find the way for which the heart and the soul are longing for? Without knowing the object, you want to find the way out? I can only say, when you say how to go to Mumbai, then I say go here, right, left, right, and all this. But you say that I want to find the way for which the heart and soul are longing for what they are longing. We have to decide the priorities. The best thing to organize the life and live nicely is keep two alternatives, not the third. You know the third economy, what has made now to India, with the black money. It has made such a big problem now, because this was third. It was that, yes or no? Make two priorities, no? And then choose the priority. Finish. That is the way. I want to do this or this. You keep on changing the priority, but Mumbai will be too much, hectic there, and it is crowd. So best way, I go to some village here. Then you walk some steps and say, in the village I am going, but the phone will not work, and I will not get this and this, and some facilities, there is no theatre. Best way to go to Mumbai is better. Like that we are doing. We have no priority decision. We have decided the priority. We were thinking that, yes, therefore, we say, whatever happens, benefit or the life finish or continues, I will not speak untruth. झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा, जो होगा सो होगा. तो प्रायोरिटी क्या है? तो झूठ के फायदे, और झूठ का रास्ता, अरे सच के फायदे, और सच का रास्ता मालूम है, उधर कोई भी बता सकता है. बट आपको 2 मिनट में पूछेंगे झूठ या सच मैं क्या नक्की करूं, तो कोई रास्ता ही नहीं है और कोई एडवाइस भी नहीं है. When I will tell you that the truth is good, accept it. Never lie, and look what happens. Tomorrow you will come and say, there was a problem, this, because I said truth, my wife now is not taking me at home. So I should have told her lies. So now you go and tell her the lie, that all what I told you was a lie. She will say, no, but you are telling always truth. कुछ उसमें धंधा ही नहीं होगा. एक नक्की करना है, and that is what you will find the way